Convert the mixed number to improper fraction. To understand this, let's have an example. We have here 6 and 11 over 17. To convert 6 and 11 all over 17 to improper fraction, our old denominator is 17. So 17 here, this will be multiplied by the whole number. Our whole number is 6. And this will be added by the old numerator. Our old numerator is 11. And this will be divided by the old denominator, which is 17. 17 multiplied by 6, this will give us 102, and we have plus 11 all over 17. So our numerator here will be 113 and our denominator is 17. As you can see, our numerator is now bigger or larger than the denominator, and this is now an improper fraction, and this is our final answer.